It's working.
Oh, now it works.
Okay. Hey, what's gonna happen?
Okay, Natalie's gonna jump from here to those hot sauce, and we're gonna smash it. Well, she is.
If I land it, I suck. I have bad coordination.
Well, if
And then
she
she's
gets-
gonna do it with those two in her hand.
And then later on, we're gonna do ketchup.
We are?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna go inside and go get it.
Right now or in the
Later. Okay. Here. Get the macra. Wait, why'd you say I was gonna jump? I'm not jumping, I'm sliding.
Same thing.
Huh?
Same thing.
No, it's not.
Okay. Look. Oh, that's what's gonna happen? Then I gotta roll up my pants. Hey!
If you want to do that, I'm just doing that because I want to do that.
Alright, here.
Okay.
I wanna see where I land.
Hey, look! This one has the Vans sort of pattern thingy. Yeah, they both do if you feel on it. Okay.
Hey!
Let me
dang it,
dispose
just
of
heard an echo.
dispose of. I know! Echo! Why'd you? That's not where you're supposed to. Give me the hot sauces.
It's up here.
Give them to me so I can put them. Okay, go.
Alright, one.
So we can find out where you land so you'll step on it. Okay, lift this foot up. Lift that foot up. Okay. Okay. Okay, your turn.
Well, I gotta roll up my pants. I am fuck it, I don't care.
Haha, you suck.
Hey, I don't have the real, what's the called again? The real shoes. Let me wear yours.
No.
Cause look, these ain't good.
Uh-huh.
See, look.
Try it again.
See?
Try it again.
Nothing.
Just try it
Okay, what?
again. And go down real hard. Boom.
Alright.
Damn. It's on her toe. It got on me again. Ugh.
Fudge.
Check the bottom of your shoe. Ugh. You can't really see nothing.
Look like shit. Oh, bloody shit.
Okay, now go get the ketchup.
I'm changing first.
What? No, this video's gonna be too long. Remember, it has to be 10 minutes and under. Don't change. Okay, change quickly. I'm gonna time you. Ready? Go! She is so weird. She's like so freaky. At least I got it the first time. Watch, I miss next time with the ketchup. It's gonna be ketchup on me. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. It's gonna be on you too. Oh, it wasn't even on me, I think. Look. You're done?
Hell yeah.
Damn, girl. Showing some leg.
Where's the ketchup?
Get the ketchup. Okay, I don't know how long you took. I don't want to find out. Come on.
Run, go. There.
Okay.
I need a shade.
Do you remember where mine thing was? Where mines were?
Right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay, here.
I think.
Show me.
Her
No. I have no.
going right here. On the count of 3. 1,
No, don't do that. I don't want to do